child sponsor, Miss Jasmine Curtis Smith.
And last but not the least, we have our beauty queen and advocate who is using her platform to inspire girls to pursue their dreams and create positive change. We have Binibining Pilipinas International 2026, Miss Gwendolyn Belize Soriano.
Ayan po, sige po, please get settled po. This afternoon, ang ating po mga panelists will give us a unique perspective on what it means to create space for our girls so the girls can thrive.
Okay, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are too. Thank you po ulit sa inyo for being with us today. To begin, we would love to have a short reflection muna from everything that we've heard from this event. We'll keep the answer, pwede po 1 minute or less to give everyone time to answer the question. Actually, yung first question natin today.
So ito naman, wait lang, nasa starstruck ako, nakatingin sila sa akin
Sa akin.
lahat. Well, ikaw din. Okay, sige po. First question po natin mga binibini, for our first round, yan. We would like to ask, sino po ba or ano, what helped shape the woman that you are today? It could be a person, an experience, or maybe an environment that gave you courage, support, or confidence.
Okay, bago natin sila pasagutin, since nakahilera na lang din tayo dito, Elge, mga binibini sa hapong ito, tayo muna sumagot. Ikaw, Elge, who shaped you to be this amazing woman that you are today?
I never ready. Pero nag-usap kami kanina. Para po sa akin, definitely my mom. Mom ka talaga. Katulad din ni Miss Jasmine kanina, di ba? Because it's also my mom who encouraged me to take space, to claim my space. Sa school man yan, go kung kaya mo. Sa mga Christmas parties, di ba? Anak, magaling ka kumanta, mag-ano ka dyan. Magkakanta ka dyan sa harap ng mga tito-tita mo, mga ganyan. It was my mom who encouraged me to do a lot of things and who helped me become the woman I am today. How about you?
Ako rin.
Mom ko rin?
Nanagyan niya pala. Ako rin, the amazing woman who is also the one who shaped the person I am today is really my mom. My mom is a social worker for more than 35 years. And I see how yung big heart niya to serve sa community namin all the way from Batangas is what shaped me or motivated me to pursue this track ng career na meron ako ngayon with World Vision Philippines. At syempre kayo naman po, I know you've said or you've shared the story of your mom kanina, Miss Jasmine, but meron po bang ibang person or environment, moment in your life that really helped you shape kung sino po kayo ngayon?
Siguro dagdag ko na rin lahat ng mga naging teacher ko na babae in the past, mula grade school hanggang high school. Kasi iba yung example na napakita nila sa akin growing up na yung value nila sa pag-aaral, pati na rin sa pag-aalaga sa sarili. And na kung ano man yung uncool noon, it's okay. It's cool as well. Kasi you have your own vision para sa sarili mo, may sarili kang pangarap.
Thank you, Miss Jasmine. And shoutout po no, sa lahat ng ating mga kaguruan na nandito nakasama po natin ngayon, no? Kung kayo po ay nandito, magparamdam po kayo sa mga booth natin. And of course, we also have Miss Jackie. What shaped you po or helped you become the woman that you are today?
Hirap naman.
Ang binibini po talaga.
Top of my mind right now is they are the stories of the people I encounter whenever I go on coverage or write stories. Kasi ito yung mga kwento na hindi ko nakikita in my